In my talk, first I will share a brief description of Capillary Underfill and its physics and material. And then I will share our simulation in three-dimensional on Capillary Underfill using Moldex3D. And then I would like to use a explanation of the trend of advanced IC packaging technology linked to why the Capillary Underfill simulation is so slow. That's why we need to accelerate the simulation speed. Then I will go over to our new function, Hybrid CUF solver and Hybrid EBG CUF solver. And the seventh, I will share a validation of Capillary Underfill flow in multi-chip module. Last, I will also share some application and validation. Some of you guys might seen that before, but I will show it for all the audience